The Thule FootHill rooftop tent is the perfect addition to any camping trip. In this video, we're installing the Thule FootHill rooftop tent on the Subaru Outback all-wheel drive Sport XT. Ensure your crossbars are fitted to your Outback. Make sure you have someone handy to help, because this is a two-person job. With your helper, carefully lift the rooftop tent onto the crossbars of your Subaru Outback and slide it into place. Make sure your tailgate can still be opened with the positioning of the tent. Then, take the bolt and aluminium plate and slide it under the rooftop tent track and carefully lift the tent to ensure the bolt is on the inside of the crossbars. Repeat for all four sides. Next, grab the bolt and metal plate and slide it under the rooftop tent track until it reaches the crossbars on both sides. Then you can replace the black cover on the ends of both tracks. Now you'll need to secure the plate under the crossbar and tighten with a spanner. That's included in the kit. Repeat this on the remaining 4 bolts and any others that need to be secured. Next, unzip the black rain cover and remove it from the tent. Secure the ladder on the top of the tent into the brackets, ensuring the pins are clicked into place. Then undo the Velcro. Undo the tent on both sides by removing the Velcro straps from the buckles. Carefully pull out the ladder and swing the tent down. Click it into place so that the tent is at a right angle and pull out the ladder so that each rung clicks into place. The excess rungs can go at the top of the ladder. Now it's time to climb up the ladder and into the tent and pop the tent up from inside, ensuring that all internal arms lock into position. Grab the black rainfly cover poles and place the end of the poles into the holes in the side of the tent. Hook the other end into the eyelet to expand the rain cover. Continue to do this around the tent. Then clip the corners of the cover into place with the press studs. Open the small air vents. And finally, roll up the entry to the tent and secure it with the tabs. And there you have it. The Thule FootHill rooftop tent is ready for your next camping adventure. Don't forget, all genuine Subaru accessories come with a factory warranty. Please check subaru.com.au for warranty terms and conditions.